Hey, so what does Sellerboard do? What is Sellerboard used for? In this video, I'm going to share my sincere answer with you as a real user of Sellerboard and as an Amazon seller. Plus, I'm going to share valuable resources with you so you can make the most out of Sellerboard for yourself. Now, the first thing I have for you is in the description. You're going to find the link to a special 2-month free trial of Sellerboard. So as you can see here, no credit card required. You can cancel at any time. Check out this link, use it, and get 2-month free trial for Sellerboard. This is going to be an affiliate link. Means that if you ever use my link to invest in Sellerboard eventually, I'm going to get a little commission from the deal at no extra cost to you. But in this way, you can support my free content. Thank you very much. And this helps me keep my content free for you forever. My name is Vova Evan, Amazon seller. So as an Amazon seller, what do I use Sellerboard for? I use Sellerboard for accurate profit analytics for my shop. So I use it to understand exactly how much money I'm making with my sales on Amazon, because only if you use the kind of seller app by Amazon itself, you will see your sales. And that's beautiful. Maybe today you made $500 in sales and you've sold maybe 10 units of a product that's worth $50. So you've made $500 in sales. Beautiful. Congratulations to you. And by the way, if you still haven't made your first sales, then be patient. You'll get there soon. But let's say you have sold 10 items. And for the total of $500, 10 units, $50 each, how much money you've made with them? Because maybe you had some refunds, maybe you had returns. And what is your cost of goods? Now, of course, if you're tracking it somehow within an Excel spreadsheet or something, this can be really helpful. But tools such as Sellerboard can do it automatically for you. So they can help you kind of calculate your profitability. So as you can see, accurate profit analytics for Amazon sellers. So Sellerboard is mainly used for profit analytics. That's kind of their main thing that they specialize in. I also like using it for inventory management. This is the other thing it's used for. So it can help you stay in stock and not go out of stock, because you'll see exactly how many days of stock you have left based on your sales. Sellerboard connects to your Amazon shop, and then it can see the data. It kind of puts it in one sort of dashboard for you, so you can see all those sales and all the profits. Now, what's really cool and what I want to share with you is in the description, you're going to have this tutorial that shows you how to use all the tools of Sellerboard with Jenny from Sellerboard and myself here. And we go deep into how Sellerboard works, exactly what you're seeing, what kind of numbers you're seeing. And we go through all the parts of Sellerboard, basically. We'll go deep. It's a 1 hour and 15-minute tutorial that helps you make the most out of Sellerboard. I believe it's going to be useful for you. The link is in the description. Also, Sellerboard can be used for Shopify or Walmart. So for Shopify, at this point, we also have another tutorial with Alex from Sellerboard and myself, where we have this 38-minute video where we go deep into Sellerboard for Shopify sellers and explain how it can be used, especially for Shopify. So again, in the description, there's a special link for Sellerboard for Amazon, but also there's a link for Sellerboard for Shopify. So also you can use it for review requests. You can kind of request reviews based on your sales on Amazon. So if you've had some sales, you can request reviews from your buyers automatically through Sellerboard, which is pretty cool too. PPC optimization, listing change alerts, refunds for lost inventory. So you can use Sellerboard to track if Amazon lost any of your inventory. Then you can submit cases based on kind of the information that Sellerboard provides you with to get money back from Amazon for lost or damaged goods. And basically, I use this tool mostly for profit analytics and inventory management for Amazon. But again, for Shopify and Walmart, it can be also used as a tool for profit analytics. As for pricing of Sellerboard, it starts as low as $19 a month, which is pretty affordable in my opinion. If you have less than 3,000 orders per month, you can use the standard plan, $19 a month, pretty affordable. And you have other plans if you have a bigger shop, basically. And also you can pay annually. So in this way, you'll pay once per year, but you'll be able to save more money. So if you pay about $19 per month, or let's make it 20 for easier calculation, that's going to be 20 x 12, $240 per year. But if you pay annually in one go, you'll pay $179 or let's say $180 just for the easier calculations. So you save about $40 if you use the annual plan. So you pay in one go once a year. This way you can save money on all the plans. So up to you, consider it. If this is something you kind of want to do, if you like the tool, then you can save money. Another cool thing I want to share with you is the demo account. So if you really want to try out and see how Sellerboard works without paying, without anything, without even logging in. So again, use the link in the description to access this page. Thank you for using my link. And then click on demo. Okay, when you click on demo, you will get to this page where you actually see Sellerboard without logging in, without anything, as it is. So we can see the dashboard here. We can see the sales for today, for yesterday. Again, this will help you understand, of course, how to use the tool itself, but also to help you understand and see that if you're not tracking your profits, then it's going to be hard for you to kind of grow your business or even maintain your business. Because again, even if you're just seeing the sales on Amazon, that's beautiful, but how much money you're making from each sale. So then you can allocate this money to new products and paying yourself as a seller for your own life. So with Sellerboard, it's possible. For example, you can see yesterday's sales here. By the way, these are like demo products, yes, but you can go around. I'm literally now here within the demo account, PPC, inventory, autoresponder. You have all those things that we mentioned. Go inside those things and check them out for yourself. You can see, for example, the inventory planner here that I've clicked. You can see how many days of stock you have left for this specific item. And you can see what the sales velocity of units per day and many more things. So again, in order to understand how to use Sellerboard, I have those videos for you. One for Amazon, Sellerboard for Amazon with Jenny, an hour and 15-minute video. The other one is for Shopify, a 38-minute video with Alex. Check out those videos to see how it works. Use the demo account. It's here on the left upper side of the dashboard of the Sellerboard website. This will help you make the most out of the tool, in my opinion. I've been using it in my own business for many, many years. It helps with profit analytics, inventory management, but there's more to it. Review requests, PPC optimization, listing change alerts. If something changes within your listing, Sellerboard can notify you via email, for example. And yeah, so in the description, again, links for 2-month free trial for Sellerboard for Amazon, for Shopify, for Walmart. If we're going to have a link at some point, I'm going to add it. For now, I don't have this. I think they're still developing the Walmart part. So yeah, this is mainly used for profit analytics and also for inventory management for me for Amazon. For Shopify, also you can use it to track your LTV, which is a lifetime value of your customer. And there's many more things. Again, check out the tutorials. Honestly, they are full from A to Z. They explain to you how to use the tools so you can make the most out of them. In the description, all the links. And here on the screen, actually, the videos will appear where we have Sellerboard for Amazon and Sellerboard for Shopify. So check them out, make the most out of them, and I'm wishing you a happy life. Bye. Good luck.